Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I made a Z Gallery inspired painting for under $15. First, I painted an 8x10 canvas I purchased at Dollar Tree. Shout out to Dollar Tree for hooking me up all the time. Then I spray painted it with this Krylon satin beach gloss. It looks very Tiffany bluish. I used white acrylic paint at the bottom and made strokes in no particular pattern or motion. I then added silver glitter onto the white paint before it dried so it would stick. Followed by some crushed glass to give it an extra bling. Just repeated these steps of adding glitter, crushed glass, until it was blinged out enough for my taste. Shake off any excess glitter or glass and repurpose onto the canvas before it dries. Talk about a wow factor. Done in less than 30 minutes. This camera and lighting is not giving this painting justice, in my opinion. I was so pleased with the way this wall painting turned out, I decided to paint another identical piece to make it a set. A full list of all the items I used are below in the description below. If this is your first time being here, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.